Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change the language of the Brave browser. This is useful if you want to use Brave in a different language, or if you want to be able to translate websites into your language. Click on the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Select Settings. Click on Language. Select the language you want to use from the drop-down list. Restart Brave browser. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Give it a like up and subscribe to my channel for more content.